Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clone WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. In order to use two WhatsApp accounts, you can clone the WhatsApp app. So of course you need to have the app installed on your phone. Once you do, you can go to the settings, then scroll down and find advanced features and then tap this option. Now over here at the bottom you will find Dual Messenger. You want to select this option. You should be able to find WhatsApp in available apps. Tap on the switcher in order to create a copy of WhatsApp and then confirm. You can also use a separate contacts list if needed, so you can tap on the switcher to do so. If not, then of course we can just press next and then press OK. Now let's wait for the app to be cloned and you should be able to find it, for instance, in the app drawer after that. And there we go. Let's go back. Let's open the app drawer. And there we go. We have our cloned WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.